Okay, hi and welcome back to SPM portal. Okay, so this is video for trial Terengganu KERTAS 1 2023, which is bab 2 or chapter 2 form 4, which is quadratic. Okay, so basically this chapter is one of the key chapter for you to understand, because there are a lot of understanding and applying skill question in this chapter. Okay, ada banyak soalan memahami dan mengaplikasi dalam chapter ini. Usually soalan mengaplikasi akan keluar dalam paper 1 lah. Okay, so ini a type of soalan mengaplikasi. You faham content, baru you boleh mengaplikasi. Okay, so I padam this thing, no need actually, just for brief intro sahaja. Okay, wait ah. So dia kata cari julat nilai X dengan keadaan Gx more than 0. Okay, when someone kata julat or the question states range, you have to remember you can only prove out with graph, table of sign and positive number line. These are the three methods that taught in SPM syllabus, if I am not mistaken. And I would use graph. Why I use graph? Because we got the power of 2. Okay, you can ask, is it compulsory to use graph if the power is 2? For me, if you found the highest variable of that equation, the power of the highest variable of the equation is 2, just use that. Okay, because most of the question for SPM level, they will try to teach you to use the graphical method more than the table of sign and number line method. Okay, so this is the first thing that I want to say to you. Okay, next, moving on to down. They say dengan keadaan Gx lebih dengan kosong, such that Gx more than 0. So you just have to substitute the Gx that was already given to you more than 0. Okay, that is the first thing. And then you have to know that your A is now negative. When you want to do graphical method, try to make your A is positive. Okay, so reminder for you, if you use graphical method, GM ni stand for graphical method, make A value positive. Okay, it's compulsory. Okay, it's compulsory to make if you have a graphical method, make A value positive. Okay, so now how we want to make it positive? Okay, very simple. You got negative this side and this is more than actually. So if you want to hilangkan the negative, either you have to darab dengan negative 1 or bahagi dengan negative 1. So it's up to you. So when you darab, this negative would change to positive, this negative to positive, and this positive to negative. I think you can note that. And then how about the linear inequality, the inequality sign? So when you times with negative or divide with negative, for sure the sign going to change, unless if you subtract or plus the equation with positive number, yeah, the symbol won't change. Okay, if you do addition, if you do multiplication or division with a negative number, tak kisah whatever negative, janji it's a negative, the linear inequality sign for sure going to change, and here it changed from greater than to smaller than actually. Okay, so once like this, you have to factorize like this. This going to bring mark for you actually. Oh wait, I use red color. Yeah, this is going to bring you mark. Okay, you have to factorize like this, and then you have to use these two values in this graph. Okay, how you want to determine the shape of the graph is like smiley face. It's like this. You have to see the value of A. The value of A is positive, so when the value of A is positive, so the graph is smiley face graph. Okay, so if the value of A is negative, the graph is like this. Okay, I'll just show you like this. And I don't prefer this graph. It's like not wrong, it's still correct, but just use one method lah. Just remember one. So always change the negative to positive. Okay, then always use smiley face graph. It would be very easy for you. Okay, then you put the value. This is negative 1, this is 2 over 3. Please don't put 2 over 3 here and negative 1 here, because we want you to follow the sequence. The real sequence is negative 1 first and only 2 over 3. So just put like that. Okay, and then this is less than. Okay, less than means small, so you have to, okay, try to comment in the comment box whether you have to choose the green color one or you have to choose this red color one. Okay, 5 4 3 2 and 1 0. Okay, so you have to choose this red color one, because small than means it's just a small space, so this is the value. If they say more than, yeah, this is more than. So you can ask me, here it says more than. No, that is not the matter. You have to consider the inequality symbol to see where you want to shade, whether inside of the graph or outside of the graph, after you factorize like this. That's why this is very crucial part. Okay, so when you factorize, you found that it's less than, so please shade inside of the graph, which is just only this portion. Don't you shade this one all, no need. Just shade this one, the bawah paksi X, just shade that one, that's enough. Okay, so just shade that, and then okay, because the shaded area is like bounded between two numbers, you have to write like this. The shaded part, just put the variable. Let's say this question they're using X as a variable, and then this one and this one is less than. Why less than? Because X, okay, like you got X 2/3 and -1. So what do you think? Okay, you think it's more than? For sure it doesn't make sense, because the graph is going this side. You can see that the graph is going this side. Okay, because like the nilai after this, right, like this, they're not approaching that side, so you have to put less than lah. So both of the thing must be less than. I hope you're clear. I hope I didn't confuse you. So it's less than, it's always less than when it's a smiley face graph, and the linear inequality is smaller. Okay, less than symbol. Okay, it should be like this. You please don't write like this, this is a common problem. Okay, they say this is the value. Okay, this one is same like this one, I understand, but you have to obey to the marking scheme, which if the portion that you shaded is the less one, you have to write, you have to combine both of the values together. Okay, if you shaded like this, meaning that you use more than, then yeah, correct. Okay, then correct, you can write separately. Alright, okay, so I hope you are clear now. I've given a long explanation for this question. Okay, and the next question is, by using kaedah penyumpahan kuasa 2 or completing the square, find the maximum value. Maximum value means C. Okay, maximum value means they want C, because A stands for graph. So what is B? Try to comment. B value stand for what? Try to comment down there. I want to see how many of you comment. Okay, then this is the equation, right? Okay, so if you want to do completing the square, make sure the A, this is the quadratic, what? Make sure the A is 1. Okay, you have to make sure the A is 1. So it's up to you whether you want to divide with 3 or factorize with 3. But usually we will suggest to to factorize the number at A. So let's say like this one, we got -3, right? So we factorize the -3. We factorize that -3 and we put x power 2 plus 1/3x. Why 1/3x? If you times this both, you will get -x, which will get back the up 1. Okay, I hope you're clear now. And 2/3. Then got 2/3 because here's -3 and here's -2/3. You cut this 3 and this 3 with the negative, you will get 2. Okay, so you have to make sure you can factorize actually, but of course you won't get what do you call that, nombor bulat. You won't get a perfect integer lah. For this you will get decimal. Okay, so that's correct actually. Okay, it's not wrong. And then now you do the completing the square method on this bracket, inside this bracket. Okay, so x2 plus 1/3x. Okay, plus, okay, how they did this one? Okay, it's like this, b/2a square. One is plus and first minus b/2a square. Okay, this is the two things at here, these two. Okay, so what is the value of b? 1/3. You divide with 2, 1, and then you close the bracket. Same juga this side, 1/3, 2, 1. See, this is the thing that they did here. But you know, the fraction is divided with a normal number, so like 1/3 when you divide with 2, it will turn out to be 1/3 times 1 over 2. So yeah, they got 1 over 2 like this. I hope it's clear for you right now. Okay. So this is the working, and then now you already got the value here, which is 1 over 6 power 2, right? Okay, you see here, and then this one you can simplify. Okay, the plus until this one you cannot do anything, but this one, the behind one, you can settle out. Okay, so just press your calculator. 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 power of 2, and then the negative with the value, and then you minus with 2 over 3, you will get negative 25 over 36. And please don't say, this is the answer. No, it's wrong. You haven't factorized fully. You will be given mark at this part once you show like this, which is negative 3. Okay, you got x2 1 over 3x plus 1 over 6 2 minus 25 over 36, right? Okay, so you just put the negative 3. This was factorized, so it's just like that. And then you combine this one and this one. Okay, you can ask where this one went. Try to expand the one that we combined. You will get back this 1 over 3. Okay, sorry. Then minus 25 over 36, and then you settle down. You just times this. So negative 3x plus 1 over 6 to negative 3 times and this one. So you'll get plus 25 over 12. So this 25 over 12 is the value of C that we are looking for. Okay, so it's really simple. If you found the value of A is not 1, you just factorize the thing. Okay, then you do completing the square inside the bracket. Please watch this video more than one time if you are not clear, because I can bet you this type of question can come out in your SPM paper for sure. Okay, so as the video is approaching around 12 minutes, so I've already done question A and B in this part. So in the upcoming video, I'm going to do question C. Okay, so please watch the video and share to your friends, and please make sure you did this Terengganu Kertas 1, Kertas 2 with Sabah and Kelantan. Okay, please do this, both the papers, and read the answer scheme. Okay, the questions are very good. That's why I'm suggesting. It's not something like we have any rumors or not like that. The questions are very good and quite hard actually. So I like the questions from Sabah and Kelantan that I already tried out. So that's why I'm suggesting to you. Okay, that's it I think. Thank you. Bye bye.